So hello students, welcome to my channel. I am the teacher over here and today I am going to write an application to the headmaster and mistress or principal of your school requesting him her to issue you a transfer certificate. Ravenso Collegiate School, Cuttack to 15th November to 2024. To the principal, Ravenso Collegiate School, Cuttack to through the class teacher. Respected sir, with due honor and humble submission, I write to inform you that my father has been transferred to Angul. Our family would shift to my father's post quarters at Angul on 15 December 2025. It has been decided that I would continue my studies at Angul High School. I would be grateful if you would kindly issue me my transfer certificate on receipt of all school dues. Yours faithfully, you are going to write your name under yours faithfully, Swan Sekhar Pati, roll number 39, class 9.
Yeah.